a wonderful day with these wonderful motorcycles. Hello everybody, my name is Alisha and welcome to Ceramic Pro Kochi. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are tuning at Ceramic Pro Kochi with these wonderful 2021 Kawasaki Ninja ZX10r. If you are keen about motorcycles, these bikes might be on your list. These fascinating and powerful bikes are my favorite. These insane motorcycles are now protected with Ceramic Pro coatings as well as Kavaca Instant Healing Paint Protection Film on essential areas. These parts are protected with the PPF, which will protect this bike from the future scratches on these parts. These bikes came up with the new instrumental updates with this 4.3 inches of TFT digital color unit, which is now protected with the PPF, that is Kavaca Instant Healing Paint Protection Film, which will protect this newly updated instrumental digital color unit from future spots from brake fluid and scratches. So this was it guys, these newly arrived ZX10r has got H2 inspired face, such an aggressive look. So yeah guys, go and enjoy this video and I will catch you up with the next one.